Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. I want to take a quick look at this LEATHERMAN tool I got from MARLBORO country store back like in the 80s. When you smoked enough cigarettes, collected enough miles off the packs, you could buy a bunch of different things. I actually bought this, and I got a guitar and some wireless speakers and a bunch of other stuff, lighters, t-shirts. Anyway, I've had this thing for over 35 years, carried it almost every day. There's the stamp on the leather pouch. Leather pouch's sheath is kind of worn. Every once in a while I'll take a black Sharpie and color it up. It looks a lot nicer when it's all black, but that's the patina going on there, I guess. I think this is the original Leatherman. There's a faint stamp of the Marlboro Country Store on it. Got some nice pliers on it. Work real good. They've been well used. The cutters have been kind of abused. They're kind of chipped up because I was cutting some pretty heavy duty wire with. They still cut. Got a plain blade there. I did break the tip off a long time ago before I knew much about knives, and I used it to pry something. It snapped right off. I reground it way back then. Kind of fixed the tip, and I've sharpened it since then. It's got pretty good edge on it. It's hollow ground. It's really thin behind the edge. Got like an awl. A medium, and a large flathead screwdriver. And on this side it's got a wood file. And on the other side I think it's a metal file. It works really well. And it's even got a file on this edge here. And it's also got a small straight screwdriver, a hardened tip Phillips screwdriver, and then a cap lifter, can opener. Can also be used to measure stuff. Or I guess it's like almost 8-inch ruler on it. And it's got centimeters on it too. Put together like that. You can measure stuff. Short stuff. Got a little place for a lanyard there. Oh, and you can pick these up on eBay for like $175. But those ones are like almost like new, I believe. It's a really nice tool. Like I said, I've carried it almost every day for 35 years. Thanks for watching.